How you guys doing today? Happy Valentine's Day and welcome back to our 3K to 25K account challenge. We have another great day. I have another great day for you guys. Got into three different trades, but we switched it up this time. I'm actually going to be showing a couple of option plays. So here you see I took an option play with Facebook, ROKU, TNDM. I'm still in the TNDM trade. We'll get more into that as well. Still in the Facebook trade, but on the Roku trade, we took profits off the table today. $620. Yes, we did pretty good today. We had a $900 day to be exact. But that Roku trade was a big play for us. Let's go straight into the breakdown, starting with first one on our list being Facebook. Let's see. So let's get straight to the charts. What did I see here? So I'm going to switch this to the 1 minute chart. And then we're going to close this up a little bit. So Facebook, I actually got into this Facebook trade. I've been in this option play for 2 days now. Let's scroll out a little bit here. So what did I see? Actually, no. Let's go to the day chart first. So what I saw here was I seen this bearish play, and then I seen this confirmation to the next day. So if you look further back in the week, let's scroll in a little bit more. You basically see this 170 level. You see after this big gap up that the bulls try to push it above this 170 level. The next day, we basically get this doji candle showing lots of indecisiveness, but as well, this is a bearish doji. Next day, we get the confirmation that the bears are now in control. They bring that price back down below the 170 psychological level. We get a little consolidation the next day with this bearish candle here. But as you can see, that that 12, that's our 6 EMA and our 200 SMA is basically working its magic. So we're seeing consolidation around these levels, around these EMAs and SMAs, and now you continue to see this bearish trend. So from this point, I basically said to myself, okay, this was a clean rejection off of the 170 level. Now this is possibly a reversal here. This is probably a beginning of a reversal. So now I got in on the 12th. Actually, no, I'm sorry. This is our option play. So I kind of actually got in on the 11th. I was testing out options, and then I got in. I basically purchased a put contract based at the 165 strike price. So basically, I'm saying that I think within 1 week, this was a weekly option play, that the price would be below 165. So as you can see, we basically danced around 165 for a while here, danced around, closed below 165 here, closed way below 165 here as well. So now I'm just building up the profits, and on this day we get kind of a consolidation move here. This is kind of like a pullback. So what I'm hoping Friday we get a continuation. It breaks this, I believe this is our 23 day as no, sorry, I apologize. This is actually our 12 day. I took out the 23. I usually had a 6, 12, and 23, but I took out the 23. I didn't really need it. I felt like it was really just cluttering up my my price action. So once this gets through this 12 SMA, I'll feel very comfortable and basically comfortably break below the 160 level. I think that would be a comfortable break on the downtrend, giving us a big possibility tomorrow for some big profits. But right now, being that it's still dancing around that 165 price, we're currently down about $6, which is okay. We can live with it. Now moving on to Roku. Our Roku play, what we saw here. So it was pretty basic what we saw here. I actually got into Roku on the 12th, swing this play. So I anticipated that it was going to break the 50 price level. This was actually a little bit of a gamble. It was a little bit of a risk. What I went off of was the fact that my 200 SMA crossed over. So now, as you can see, it's starting to assume support, meaning that my uptrend or my short-term uptrend, or in this case, my daily uptrend, is now going to start riding this support level. I also have my 6, which is the blue line, lined up perfectly, playing a perfect support level, and I also have my 12 lined up nicely with my 50 SMA also far below, playing that far support level. So I made a bet that it was going to break 50. Actually 50.5, 50 was my strike price, and I basically purchased a call option on here, and it was a beautiful play. We got the spike up all the way up to almost not even almost, the 52.11, and that's when we got out with $620 of profit, which was really, really good. So you could kind of see how we're playing these option plays, where we're basing it on whether we have strong news catalyst. I believe Roku's earnings is coming up pretty soon. Roku's earnings is on the 21st. So I'm also thinking about probably purchasing some calls around that time for the people interested. I think it's going to probably continue going up. I'm anticipating probably 55 if we're lucky. I think that would be a good target if Roku could reach all the way up to 55. Possibly if they beat earnings, we definitely have a strong possibility of seeing it hitting that 55 level. So apart from my EMAs, my SMAs, using my price levels to basically anticipate what's going on, and also using my volume, using my MACD to see momentum, and using my volume, my average 50-day volume, to see if we have above average volume. But yes, so we're still gonna watch Roku. Like I said, I might hop back into this play for a possible scalp, or probably play earnings using option plays instead of actually purchasing the stock like I usually do. Our last play is TNDM. This was also a very great play for us. TNDM actually had a catalyst, a news catalyst, in the middle of the day. I'm talking about practically, we had a news catalyst about 2:30 in the afternoon, which was beautiful, a great news catalyst. So this basically pumped up all the way from the low 26 to the 27 range. I said 26, sorry. The low 46 to the high 47, 49. We got all the way up to 49. So we basically got $3 today based upon that news. But same concept as we usually follow. I'm still in this play, by the way. I did not take profits. I'm taking a bet, hoping that it can hold this 49 level and probably touch 50. If we can touch 50, I think we'll be in a really good position here. And then we could probably pull another $500 or $600 out of that play as well. That would be really good, especially being that Friday is our expiration date. So those premiums are going to be crazy. So we could possibly pull some pretty good profit. If I see 400, if I see 500, I think I might just pull it and call it a day, because we had a really good week. We had a really good week, and I just really want to keep this winning momentum up. I also hope that Facebook pulls through and basically hits the lower 162, 160, 163, 162 levels, so we can also profit on that. If we could at least pull a small profit, maybe, because I think we only have probably one or two contracts on there. If we could pull at least $100, $200, I'll be incredibly happy. So that was basically our plays for the week. Like I said, TNDM, we follow the same setup, same strategy. We use our price levels. I used my SMAs and my EMAs to tell me where the trend is, that, basically we're seeing a short-term uptrend. we're actually seeing a beautiful uptrend here. There's no signs of downtrend anywhere. This was a nice pullback, bounced off of our 6 EMA perfectly, so that basically reinforced this support level. I mean, TMDM is just a great play. Just to give you guys another quick play, I'm thinking about getting into Z, because as you can see, Z has our very similar setup. Z also has earnings coming up on the 21st. So between Z, ROKU, TNDM, I'm thinking about sticking around. I'm also looking at Amazon. As you can see, this is my current watch list of basically 7 stocks that I'm constantly looking at, because I like what's going on. I like the movement in these stocks. I understand the behavior, and basically these are stocks that I can get in and out easily, and also hold overnight, swing trade if I need to, if I don't have day trades. It's perfect. So like as usual, I want to thank everyone for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Send me all your questions, all your video requests. I will be covering Forex pretty soon. I'm just really trying to focus on options and stock right now on this particular account. I'm thinking about making a new challenge for Forex only. We're going to do the same thing, $3,000 challenge. Start with $3,000 and see if we can make 25 as quickly as possible. But thanks again, and everyone have a great Valentine's Day.